to my someone, special husband. Osias Gaston, I choose you and I'll choose you over and over without a doubt. In a heartbeat, I'll keep it choosing you. I promise to be your anchor in times of uncertainty, your shelter in the mindset of life, storm, and your constant source of love and comfort. From this day forward, you shall not walk alone. My heart will be your shelter, and my arms will be your home. Daddy, our love story is my favorite tale, and I promise to continue writing it with you chapter by chapter for all the days of our lives. I promise to cherish the small moment of in those ordinary moments lies the extraordinary love we share. Zadie, with you, I've learned that love is not just a feeling. It is a choice, a commitment. Today, I choose to love you, not just for who you are today, but for all that you will become. Today, I not only marry you, I also marry your dreams, your ambition, and your beautiful soul. I promise to support you in all your divorce. And I'd choose you in 100 lifetimes, in 100 words, in any version of reality. I'd find you, and I choose you all my life. That is all happiness I give you, and I promises to tell to us part, to living you, sacrifice, happiness, mananatili akong para sa'yo. Mananatili ang puso ko matatag na para sa ating pagmamahalang dalawa. Walang pag-alinlangan at walang kakulangan. Ibibigay ko ng buong-buong puso, katapatan at paglilingkuran bilang isang asawang may bahay. Aalagaan ko at ang magiging anak natin. Isusumpa ko habang buhay para sa'yo na tayo magkasama sa hirap man o sa ginawa. Sa lungkot at saya, mananatiling ikaw at ikaw pa rin sa puso ko. Hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan, hanggang sa dulo ng kamatayan. Mananatili ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo habang buhay. Daddy, hindi man tayo magkakasama sa ilang taon, sa ilang araw, sa ilang buwan na mawalay ako sa inyo. Mananatili ka sa puso ko at mananatili ka habang buhay na magiging alaala ako at magpakailanman hindi ka pagpapalit sa iba. I love you so much, Lee. And I hope you're happy to be